Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 24-50mm F2.8 G Lens. With its constant f2.8 aperture, superb quality G-glass and versatile focal length, the Sony FE 24-50mm takes your standard zoom to a whole new level. Compact in size and weighing in at just 440 grams, it becomes a smart choice for your everyday, take with you everywhere lens. Construction wise, it's dust and moisture resistant. We've got 4 aspherical lens elements and 2 extra low dispersion glass elements to optimally suppress chromatic aberration and deliver corner to corner high resolution, along with their fluorine coating on the front element to effectively repel any water or oil-based grime that might end up on your lens. An 11-blade circular aperture for some rich and beautifully smooth bokeh, 2 linear motors and internal focusing, offering you fast, precise and quiet autofocus in both stills and video. Speaking of video, the lens supports dynamic active and active mode image stabilization, as well as being compatible with the breathing compensation function found in some Alpha series bodies. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: your focus mode switch, focus hold button, which you can assign your preferred functions to, focus ring, zoom ring, aperture control ring, and the option to turn off the click stops if you're after seamless control. No prizes for guessing where I am today, but as the focal length of this lens kind of suggests to me that it is suitable for most types of photography as your everyday take with you everywhere lens, I figured I would see how many different types of subjects I can shoot today, while of course testing out the quality of the glass. Starting off by making the most out of this beautiful morning light and trying out some landscapes. Now, it is a little bit cloudy on the horizon, but the sun is starting to peek through, so let's see what I can capture. Now, I know technically this isn't a macro lens, but it does offer some high performance close-up, so let's give that a go. I'm just heading into town now to see what other types of shots I can capture, but I did just want to take this opportunity to say that I'm actually really liking this lens and body combo. This has been a really nice lens to use. It's quick, responsive, and pairing it with the Sony A7C Mark II actually makes for a really nice compact system to be carrying about all day. And I also love the versatility that constant f2.8 aperture provides, not only from a creative standpoint, but also when you're faced with challenging lighting conditions or just poor lighting in general. It's actually a real shame that I don't have the other standard zoom lenses from Sony to be able to do a side-by-side comparison for you, just purely for the fact that this lens is smaller and lighter than both the 24-70mm f2.8 G Master lens and the 20-70mm f4 G Lens 2. So if size and weight of your kit is important to you, then definitely check this lens out. And I did also want to mention, I know I've said earlier that there are some features on this which make it great for video. Well, if you're a hybrid shooter or you're somebody who maybe predominantly shoots a bit more video than they do stills, this is still a great choice. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony FE 24-50mm f2.8 G Lens, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.